In a land where the sun always shone bright, lived 4 creatures, each with a different plight. There was a cow, a dog, a cat, and a frog, each one unique, with a blood type to jog. The cow was a 1, the dog was B positive. The cat was AB, and the frog was O type. They lived together, in harmony and peace. But little did they know, mosquitoes had a sneeze. Mosquitoes were drawn to the blood they fed. Each creature's blood, to them, a tasty thread. The mosquitoes swarmed, day and night, pestering the cow, the dog, the cat, and the frog, with all their might. One day, a wise old owl, who watched from a tree, saw the creature's plight and felt sorry for they. "I have a solution," said Owl with a grin. "To stop mosquitoes, you must first know your kin. I've heard that mosquitoes don't like some blood types," said the cat, hopeful of a peaceful night. "Indeed," said Owl to them, "some blood types are not tasty. Let's find out each one's blood type, and maybe we'll be less gracious." The cow, the dog, the cat, and the frog exchanged blood tests to know what they had in their veins. Then Owl taught them a secret, a powerful spell. To ward off mosquitoes, it would surely tell. For cow 1, mix lemon and eucalyptus. For dog B positive, garlic and sage. For cat AB, use citronella and tea tree. And frog O type, a simple mixture, just be balm and marigold. The creatures followed Owl's advice, and soon, the mosquitoes left with surprise. The land was filled with peace and calm, as the creatures lived in harmony, no longer alarmed. "Remember," said Owl, "knowing yourself can make a difference in life, as well as in keeping pesky insects at distance. So, embrace your blood type, and share my lesson with others. For it's not just blood, but understanding and knowledge that matters." From then on, the cow, the dog, the cat, and the frog lived happily, mosquito-free, on the golden plot. And the moral of the tale, to those who listen, is self-knowledge and understanding, a journey worth the listing.